This article is part of the Junior Conversation section, where specialists answer the questions of curious young people. Today, we will explore the fascinating idea of infinity, a concept that intrigues us since childhood. Before you start, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and give like to the video. Thus, you can continue to enjoy interesting and educational content on topics that arouse your curiosity. The idea of infinity is complex and often associated with the mysterious. The question, how can something infinite exist, is one of the most intriguing in mathematics. To understand it, we must first define what really infinite means. In mathematics, infinity is not a specific number or something that is far away. It is a concept that relates to the idea that we can continue to add or increase without limits. Think of the natural numbers, which we use to count. What is the largest number you can imagine? The answer is that you can always add one more, so there is no last number. However, infinity is not simply an extremely large number. If you pick up a handful of sand, you will always have a concrete amount, even if it is huge. You can add more grains, but the amount will always be finite. Now let's consider the straight lines. A straight line extends indefinitely in both directions. When we draw it, we only represent one segment, but in reality, the straight line continues beyond our limits. With digital technology, zooming into a line, it seems to have no end. We cannot find its beginning or end, which reinforces the notion that a line is infinite. The idea of infinity also applies to the small. For example, when calculating the velocity of an object in a specific instant, we use the concept of infinity to make precise calculations. This method, known as derivative, allows us to find instant rates of change. It is a significant advance in mathematics and science, as it helps us understand complex phenomena. The question of whether the universe is infinite remains unanswered. Although we know that the observable universe has limits, the true scope of the universe remains a mystery. In short, although in physical reality we do not find infinite things, in mathematics we can imagine straight, endless numbers and divisions. Infinity is not a mystery. It's a tool that helps us to reason,